Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is just going to be a mom vlog, basically showing how we spent Kai's second birthday. And we spent it like how we always spend it, just with family alone. Especially during this pandemic. So with any family gathering, you have to have food, and it's no different with ours. So I made cornbread. I obviously can't make it as good as my husband. Ask him for the cornbread recipe, okay? He makes the best cornbread I've ever eaten in my whole entire life, and I'm not exaggerating. But I made some cornbread, I made some rice and peas, and I also made some baked macaroni and cheese, and then I made some nachos. The nachos are made with Doritos, ground beef, shrimp, and then some salsa, and then some cheese on top. And I always make this because the kids love when I make it. They call it the Kira special, so I always make it when we have any type of family gathering or when they request it. And I also had some store-bought coleslaw and mashed potatoes. But that's for the food. Let's go to the other table. Main table, I have some fruit kebabs, and that's just fruits with cheese on them, and then cheese to the side. Also, I have some cupcakes. Then I have his cake, and his cake is a custom cake with Hot Wheels edible picture on it. So, and he liked cars, so that's why I did Hot Wheels. And then I have some variety of sweets, and those are Reese's, some chewing gum, some hard candy, and some Sour Patch Kids. And then you can see the plastic plates and forks and stuff. So that's on the main table. So for
birthday to you, chop chop chop. Happy birthday to you, yeah yeah yeah. Happy birthday, dear Kai Kai. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
How old are you?
You want to put your cake, Toto? Here. Pick it back up. There you go. Cut your cake, Papa.
Cheese. He knows how to cut
He looked
a
at that
cake.
camera and said cheese.
He thinks you're taking pictures, but you're taking videos.
Yeah. Is that Milani? Hi.
How did Kira know how to make cupcakes? Because the last time we made cupcakes, Dad, it flooded.
B C D E F G H I J K L M N O No P. QRSTU. Look at the truck. You gotta learn to drive it, Tata. You gonna learn to drive it?
Cheese.
Cheese. You ready for picture?
Cheese.
Did they put it back dead? Let me see. Oh.
Mm-hmm. Igloo. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yay. What about this one, Papa? What's this one?
Bubbles.
Bubbles. What about this one?
Bubbles.
What about this card?
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Kai's birthday, I actually don't really believe in giving kids a lot of gifts and a lot of toys and a lot of presents and stuff, but Kai's too, so I think it was time for him to get some toys. We don't have a lot of toys in our house either because I really don't believe in it. I rather him have more educational stuff, and he likes educational stuff, so that's what I bought him. He got a truck, he got a car, and it's an electronic car that you charge and he can drive it, which he likes, but he has to grow into that car and learn how to use it and learn how to drive it. But I'm very happy with that one toy because he'll have it for a very long time. Kai also like ABC, saying his ABCs and 1, 2, 3s and stuff. So I like to buy him educational stuff. So I got him a table and chair, and this is a VTech table and chair, and it has like ABCs 1, 2, 3. It has a lot of activity. It has like a thing on the top where you see it's lighting up with letters where he can actually use a pen and trace and write. So I really like that portion because Kai is a bit advanced when it comes down to stuff like this, because he knows all his letters. So I want him to get into writing his letters and doing sight words. Now sight words are like cat, rat, sat and stuff like that. So that's why I got him this toy. And I also got him this toy because he loves to write on everything, the walls, the couch, our bed. As soon as he gets a pen or a pencil, he starts writing everywhere. So I got him this VTech toy that you can write on, and then you can just swipe the bottom portion, and then all the writing disappears. So I got him that for his birthday also. And as far as other toys are concerned, I got him some flashcards because that's what I used to teach him his ABCs and his 1, 2, 3s. And I got him some truck, and I also got him a book where he can trace. I'm sorry if you can hear Milani. Milani is here sleeping, and I'll talk more about her at the end of this video. You guys have seen Kai grown from the day he was born till 2 years old pretty much. So that was his birthday, and I also celebrated my birthday in June, a week after I had Milani. It's been almost a month since I've had Milani, and I feel like now it's time for me to actually show you guys her and introduce her and stuff. I've been enjoying, full joying my time with her before I put her on camera or anything like that. You saw her with her pacifier and her hat and stuff like that, and her eyes closed, and I did that for a specific reason. With Kai, I gave you guys Kai, showed you guys Kai on camera the day he left the hospital, and with Milani I wanted to experience something different, and I did, and I completely enjoyed, and I wouldn't change anything or do any of it over, whether it was with Kai or with her. Everything was done for a specific purpose and learning. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you guys to every single person that actually told Kai happy birthday. We appreciate it, and thank you guys for all the love and support on my picture that I post on Instagram saying that I gave birth. If you guys don't follow me anywhere else, follow me on Instagram because I post religiously, okay? Especially on my stories. I post almost every single day. Even if I don't upload on YouTube, you can find me on Instagram at BrainsandTheBeat. So thank you again, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.